It's so depressing in here now. Yep, you heard it, it's moving day. So we're gonna move everything from down there to right there. And then when we're done, we're gonna load up the Odyssey, and then we're gonna go drop all that stuff off at the new garage, and then that's gonna be awesome. So let's get things a-moving. Now it's time for the heavy stuff. Bet you can guess what's in here. Guessed it, it's the engine. All right, let's get the trailer. Here she is. All right, let's get her to her new home. Okay guys, we're here. Look at that. We're so excited. There she is. There's our garage. I'm gonna go get the garage door opener and we'll get inside. Well guys, we got a little bit of rearranging to do, but for now, we got room for everything. My mom asked me to be nice to these tables here. So when we do rearrange, I'm gonna put everything under plastic and things are gonna look lovely. We got some plywood we're gonna stick up here to make room. We already got some decent lighting. We're gonna get new bulbs. Things are gonna be amazing, guys. I just wanted to bring you along, show you the new digs, show you where we're gonna be working. Guys, I feel it. We're about to blow up. We're about to do something amazing. We're gonna do final assembly and then it's on. So no outro, just a thanks for driving along. Thanks for watching me and helping me move the stuff. I got some more work to do. So until I see you, I'll be working hard and busting my hump. See you guys later.